Hi children, welcome back to your math class. I am your math teacher Shrivita. In the last class we finished exercise 7.1. So today we will start with exercise 7.2. Now, first you all know what is multiples that you learned in the first video of this lesson. Multiples means multiply the given number with any number. The answer you get is called multiple. So write the first 4 multiple they are telling. So first 4 means you should multiply 5 with the first 4 numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and write the answers in the blanks here. So let's write it. So first number 5 into 1 is 5. So 5 is the multiple. Same thing you do with 5 into 2, 10. Next 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 4, 20. So actually you should not write all these things. You only should write the answers which you get here. Those are called as multiples. So you're going to write 5, 10, 15, 20. Do you have more multiples? Yes. If I go on multiplying, I get more multiples. But now there was only for 4 multiples. So only we are going to write only 4. So we'll go for the next one. Multiples of 10. 10 ones are 10. 10 twos are 20. 10 threes are 30. 10 fours are 40. This other two I want you to answer them. Next comes the second mean. Select the even numbers and circle them. You know even numbers means it should come only in 1 ones and that number tables. 8, it comes only in 1 ones and 8 ones? No, it comes in 2 ones, 4 ones. So this is not prime. 12 is also not prime. 15 is also not prime. 19, yes, you don't get 19 in any other table other than 1 and 19. So 19 is a prime number. So now let's check here. I'll take a difficult sum here. So you should check whether it can be divided by any other tables. So I can't tell these tables, no. So what I'll do, I will check whether it can be divisible by 2 or 3. If it comes off in one tables also other than 1 ones and this number, then it is not prime. So let me divide it with 3. Yeah, it goes in 3 ones, so it is not divisible by, this is not prime. This goes in 4 ones, so it's not prime. This goes in 2 ones, because you can see 4 in the units place. So this is also not prime. So this is a prime number. Let me show you one more. See, you have 4 here. So it can be divisible by 2. So this is not prime. You have 8 here. So this also can be divisible by 2. So this is also not prime. Now let's check this. Add all this thing and see whether it goes in 3 ones. 10 plus 7, 17 plus 9, 19. So it doesn't go in 3 ones. Let me check this also. It is 18. 18 goes in 3 ones. So this is not prime. This is the prime number. So circle it. I want you to try the other 2 sums. Now let's turn the page and go for the next page. Select the odd numbers and circle them. So you have to select only the odd numbers. Odd means numbers which are ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Numbers should end with these numbers. Example 4. 4 is not here odd. So this is not odd. 7. Yes, you have 7. You can see in 17. You have 7 in the last. So this is an odd number. Next one. I'll take the D one here. 3. Yes, 3 is an odd number. You can see 3 odd number. So I got it in the first only. 2. 2 is not an odd number. Again 1. 1 is an odd number. So circle 1. 2 you have here. 2 is not an odd number. So let's try E1. I have 1 in the last, which is an odd number. So circle it. 4 is not an odd number. 5. Yes, it is an odd number. Circle it. 0 is not an odd number. So I want you to try B and C. Skip count the multiple pattern. You can see skip count means just see the pattern and guess what is the number coming next. So you can see it is 3 2s are 6 or 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So what is the next number I can do? 2 6s are, that is 2 6s are 12. Next 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18. Same like that. I'll go for 9 ones are tables. So it is 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. So next number will be 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72. So even this also, this 10 5s are 50, 10 6s are 60, 10 7s are 70. So 10 8s are 80, 10 9s are 90, 10 10s are 100, 10 11s are 110. I want you to try this 3 sums. So by this we have completed this lesson. Children, in the ULO we are going to send you notes only for exercise 7.1 because only that exercise should be written in classwork. The exercise 7.2 should be written in the textbook only. Refer this video and complete the textbook. Okay? Thank you. Let's meet in the interactive class. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the interactive class. Thank you, children.